How to view archived chats on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. This is the WhatsApp settings page. Now, go to Chats. Here, you need to make sure that the Keep Chats Archived option is enabled. Archived chats will remain archived when you receive a new message. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Chats. If you want to archive a chat from here, tap and hold the chat and swipe left. Then, tap on Archive. You have now archived this chat. You will find the archived option above the chats. Tap on it to view all your archived chats on WhatsApp. If you want to unarchive any chat, you can do that anytime from here. You can then see that the chat is back in your WhatsApp chat list. Following these steps, you can easily view archived chats on WhatsApp.